another day, another food court. This is not the food court in the Central Festival. I'm actually in the Big C complex. Big C is like Walmart. They've got, you know, goods. Like I bought a shirt today, and I bought some new sandals because mine are getting worn out. And they have food, you know, like a supermarket. So adjacent to it is a food park. You can see it's a pretty good lineup along the way. And while a lot of it is in Thai, some of the smaller stuff has English on it. So remember, I got the hot dogs and macaroni the other day in Central Festival, and I was not pleased with it. So, and after I had ordered, and I was browsing the same stand, I saw Japanese curry. And I was like, Japanese curry? I haven't had that. So walking along here, I came across Kare, Japanese curry. So we can, there we go. Japanese katsu, Kare, Japanese curry. And I got the number 3 with pork for 65 baht. And then the egg was 10 baht. To add an egg to it, because, you know, hey, protein. Plus I had oatmeal this morning for breakfast. So I'm going to have some Japanese curry, plus rice, plus an egg for 75 baht. I put the typical 100 baht on the card like I do at Central Festival. So I got 25 baht to get drinks. So I got to find the drink stand. I think it's over there. And I should be able to get a couple of bottles of water for 20 baht. 5 baht left over. I'll go get change up front. But this is the Big C, just down the superhighway. It's 5 minutes from my condo. You know, now that I got the truck, I'm Johnny Dangerous. You know, I can actually go places. The truck is next door getting an oil change. I pulled it from the Ford dealer the other day after 4 days of them not doing shit. So this is lunch. I'll take a quick vid of the Japanese curry when it comes out. 75 baht, a little over $2. I found the beverage stand. It was down there where you see the Coca-Cola machine. Just look for drinks. Now, if you're a big spender, there's a juice place right there. It's healthier to get some, you see it there, juice, yeah, right there. So you can see you can get pineapple juice or mango juice or something like that, a little bit healthier. But I just wanted water, so I got 2 waters for 20 baht, 10 baht a piece. They sell in the store for 7 baht, so it's only a 3 baht markup, like 10 cents more, which is unusual because usually in a place like this, you know, in America, they would jack it up and you'd be paying like $1.29 for a bottle of water. So I'm gonna dig in, eat my little pork bowls. I got my fried egg. He gave me a little side dish of kimchi, which is cool. Japanese curry with Korean cabbage. And well, let me take a shot of it first, and then I'll eat it. All right, there it is. Got the fried egg, 10 baht, kimchi, and the little pork balls in the gravy, and 2 bottles of water. Now I'm proceed to chow down on my 95 baht lunch, about $3. Alrighty. Moments of destruction. That's good. The gravy is a nice dark rich brown gravy, and it's almost like a croquette, you know, the outside crispy, but you know, once you bite into it, soft yielding, and then you have the meat inside, a little spicy, not super spicy, but a little spicy. Good stuff. Very, very happy for my little 75 baht plus 20 baht for the water. I got 2. I'm drinking water big time here, which is part of the weight loss program. obviously they do rice here. Like, they cook it at home. They can cook it for you. So, a little bit of that gravy on the rice. Good. Tasty. I do like the gravy a lot. Basically, give me one big piece of cabbage for the kimchi. There we go. Good. I remember being very impressed in Italy with the quality of food at like service stations. Like there's truck stops, and the Italians, who are crazy about food and very picky about their food, stop at these truck stops, and it's like there's a carving station with roast beef at the truck stop. You know, that impressed me, the quality of food you can get at a place like that. I'm definitely impressed with the quality of food at food parks, food courts here in Thailand. Delicious. So I'm going to chow down and enjoy the meal, but there you go. There's another typical Thailand lunch.